Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. This is my YouTube channel where you can all learn Oromo how to roam in an easy way. So Oromo language is the most widely spoken language in Ethiopia, especially in the Oromia region. More than 50 million people use this language. So if you want to learn this language easily, please subscribe, like, share my YouTube channel. Okay. Now I am going to teach you how to ask price and make decision to buy or not to buy, whether you go for shopping. Okay, let us learn. How much is this? How much is this? This is maybe food, maybe shoes, maybe clothes, but in general we say how much is this? Getting kana meka. Getting kana meka. What is the last price for this? What is the last price for this? Umnisa meka. Umnisa meka. It seems very expensive. It seems very expensive. Baye mi ada. Baye mi ada. Do you have anything cheaper? Do you have anything cheaper? Kana irra rakasa kan ta'e qabda is that last price? Is that last price? Gati umati. Okay, I will take it. Okay, I will take it. Hatau nanbita. Hatau nanbita. I will repeat once more. How much is this? Getting kana meka. Getting kana meka. What is the last price for this? Umnisa meka. Umni isa meka. It seems very expensive. Baye mi ada. Baye mi ada. Do you have anything cheaper? Kana irra rakasa kan ta'e qabda. Kana irra rakasa kan ta'e qabda. Is that last price? Gati umati. Okay, I will take it. Hatau nanbita. Hatau nan beta. Okay. The other one is how to make decision to buy or not to buy. I will take it. Nan fudadda. Nan fudadda. I will take this one. I will take this one. Isa kanan fudadda. Isa kanan fudadda. Thanks, but it is not quite what I want. Gala told me Garu isan berbadu miti. Gala told me Garu isan berbadu miti. It is too small. It is too small. Baye. Tinno. Baye tinno da. I am just looking. Ilalutin jira. I will come back. I will come back later. Boda nan Devia. I will come back later. I will have it. Nan fudadda. I will take this one. Isa kanan fudadda. Thanks, but it is not quite what I want. Gala told me Garu isan berbadu miti. Gala told me Garu isan berbadu miti. It is too small. Baye enoda. I am just looking. Ilalutin jira. I will come back later. Boda nan Devia. Do you have something better? Do you have something better? Can wayu qabda. Kana irra kan wayu qabda. I want the larger one. Kana irra kana irra kan guddatuun barbaade. I want one like this. Kan fakkaatuun barbaade. I want one like this. Kana kan fakkaatuun barbaade. I will repeat once more. Do you have something better? Kana irra kan wayyu qabda? Kana irra kan wayyu qabda? I want the latter one. Kana irra kan guddatuun barbaade. Kana irra kan guddatuun barbaade. I want one like this. Kana kan fakkaatuun barbaade. Kana kan fakkaatuun barbaade. Okay. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something. Next class, I will teach you how to ask apology and accept apology, how to describe feeling. Okay, thank you so much. See you. Bye.